Hi, welcome to Guide. Guide lets you create visual, video-first documentation that you can share with your customers and your team easily across any software platform. Let's see how that's done over Salesforce. So here I am on the Salesforce Opportunity tab, and all I have to do is create Capture on the Guide browser extension and simply go through my process. In this case, I'm going to go and update an opportunity with a task to send a letter to the customer and assign it to a specific contact. When I'm done with my workflow, all I have to do is hit stop, and in the background, Guide is going to process all the actions that I performed on screen and convert them into a visual documentation that has a video at the top, and you can see each step in the flow that I performed is automatically transcribed and highlighted and divided into this 33-second video. In addition, the individual screenshots that compose that video are combined into a document that I can navigate through and send to a customer. Now, editing this how-to guide is very simple. It's something that you can do if you've ever used PowerPoint in the past. So you can just move things around. You can add additional elements, and you're able to blur sensitive information that exists in that frame. And you can also introduce voiceover, which gives you the ability to provide more context on anything in this workflow. In this case, I'm going to mention to the account executive that they should update the date that they last interacted with. And I can add this to this specific slide. Now, in addition, if I don't want to record my voice, I'm able to introduce text-to-voice speech over. In this case, I'm going to pick a speaker from my list, James, and I'm going to say, make sure you enter the close date and add it. And this allows me to introduce additional context without having to type it to speak it myself. When I'm done with my comments, I'm able to save the video, and then I'm able to share it across multiple platforms. So let's see how that looks like. I click back, and here you go. I have the video that I just created. You can see in this part, it has the voiceover. And now let's say I want to introduce it into our SOPs that are hosted in Notion. So all I have to do is click share, and I'm able to do copy and simply paste it into Notion, and I have the entire document, including the video, ready to go, and I can just publish this Notion document. Another option is if I want to share it directly with a customer through a link or a GIF, I can do that. So let's say that you have a ticket. In this case, I'm using Freshdesk, and I want to respond to a customer. So all I have to do is paste that GIF and the URL into a ticket and just send it directly to the customer. And the last part is I'm also able to embed this into our knowledge base. In this case, we're using Zendesk Guide, and I'm going to go into source code and simply embed this entire how-to that I created, including a hosted video and all the individual steps. And you can see that everything that I added on the voiceover is also automatically captured into this knowledge base article that's hosted. Now, the final part is once I created this video, it's added to our shared library that's combined with other videos that the rest of my team created. And this allows us to have basically all our SOPs, all our documentation in one place, and I'm able to share it whichever way I want. So this is Guide. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think. Thanks a lot.